everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've had a bit of a crazy morning, so forgive the sort of flustered appearance. I might not look flustered at all, but I feel a bit flustered. I was all ready to film this video, like literally set up. I was about to press record, and then my mum got in touch to tell me that her and my dad are having their COVID vaccination on Friday, and I just burst into tears. Literally burst into tears. So I was like, okay, right, let me go upstairs and get myself together. I'm fine now, obviously happy tears, it's all good. But yeah, I'm really excited about this haul because there is some amazing homeware in B&M right now. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I haven't had a massive breakfast. I am 7 months pregnant, so loads of the homeware that I've got is actually going to go in my baby's nursery just perfectly, like it was just meant to be. So I'm going to show you all of the homeware I've got, and I've also got a massive bag of sort of cleaning stuff and general sort of B&M necessities. So I'm just going to take you through all of it. I will show you the bag first, I think, and then I'll show you all these homeware goodies as well. If you are new, then hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for choosing to watch my video. If you enjoy it, which hopefully you will, then don't forget to click subscribe and thumb up before you go. So let's get stuck into the bag, hey? Right, let's get into cleaning products because I know you guys love that, as do I. This is a frequent visitor to my cleaning cupboard, the Dr. Beckman carpet stain remover. But don't be fooled, I actually hardly ever use it on carpet. This is so good for cleaning sofas. Not all sofas, like I probably wouldn't touch my velvet sofas with it, but in the kitchen, my little boy in his sort of play corner has a sofa which is more like cottony, I don't know what the material is, and this cleans it up a dream. And I love the fact that it has a sponge attached, so you just kind of go like this and give it a good scrub and it makes it look brand new. Obviously it works on carpet as well. But I also got a spray bottle of Domestos. I don't know whether it's COVID, lockdown, whatever's done it to me, but the only cleaning products I'm really enjoying right now are bleach ones. I need to smell the bleach in my home. Maybe it's a pregnancy thing, I don't know, but I only really feel like I've done a good job when I can smell that bleach. So this is a multi-purpose bleach spray, gives off that swimming pool bleachy smell. It just makes me feel like my kitchen's really clean, and it's like 99p in B&M. So since we've moved house, my microfiber cloth collection has like disappeared. I don't know where all my cloths have gone, so I knew I wanted some. And then I saw B&M had this Flash microfiber cleaning pads, pack of 3, and they were reduced to £1.50. I think they were supposed to be £3 or something, so quite a good reduction. And they're just large, thick microfiber cloths, so obviously can have multi-uses for cleaning. But I thought I'd try them because Flash is obviously a very trusted brand. If Flash has made these, then I assume they're gonna be good. I was a bit heartbroken with the fabric softener because they did not have my usual go-to Comfort Perfume Deluxe, so I had to go for a different one. But this one, to be fair, I think I have used this one before in the past when I haven't been able to get my usual one, and it does smell quite similar to my usual one. It's the Comfort Creations Honeysuckle and Sandalwood, and God, B&M is just so cheap for fabric softener. I think this is £1.99 and it's pretty big. Like it says it does 33 washes. I go heavy on the softener, so I'd probably have that in my case, but such a bargain. I also needed washing machine tablets. Not very exciting, I'm afraid, guys, but I always go for Surf. I love Surf. They always smell really good. And geek alert, I keep my washing machine tablets in like a little display jar, and these are quite pretty, you know, they always come in nice colours. Really sad, isn't it? But I haven't lost my mind completely. I may be heavily pregnant, but bear with, I haven't lost my mind. But these are for my cleaning cupboard. Okay, I got a multi-pack of Bic razors. There were 5 for £1 in B&M, and these are to shave my sofa. Like I said, I haven't lost my mind, okay? If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen me do it in the past, and I'll show you when I do it with these. It's the most satisfying thing you've ever done in your entire life. Basically, it's not for these sofas. These sofas are the nice sofas, as we call them. But the sofa in the kitchen, the sofa that my little boy plays on, lives on, eats on, messes up daily, it like bobbles. You know how some clothes bobble sometimes? The sofa... sorry, pregnancy problems. The sofa bobbles, and if you shave it with a razor, all the bubbles come off and the sofa looks 10 times better. So quite an unusual thing to have in a cleaning cupboard, but for me, totally essential. Beauty wise, I mean, I don't know if I put it under beauty, I don't know what else to call it. I got myself some shower gel, got some Imperial leather shower gel. We don't need to talk anymore about that because it's not exciting. And got my little boy some toothpaste. Again, you don't need to hear about that. Treats wise, because yeah, if you're a subscriber, you'll know I don't leave B&M without treats. I got one of those little Freddo treasure chests for Leo because he's at preschool today, so I thought I'll surprise him when I pick him up. Give him a little treasure chest. I also got these for me because, oh my god, if you haven't tried these, where have you been? They are the best. The Haribo sticks. Me and Leo call them noodles. I don't know why, but I'm digging into these as soon as I'm finished doing this. So good. And whenever I go to B&M, I pick up some of these quick milk straws for Leo. He loves to have a cup of milk in the morning, and he loves to have his milk with one of these straws. It's the straws that have got, like, you know, the little like Nesquik balls in them, so it like changes the flavour of the milk. I don't know, but he absolutely loves them, and they're like 30p in B&M. And last thing in the bag, not very exciting at all, I got myself a big notebook. Sorry, Trevor's just come in the room. Oh, he's leaving. It's okay. Trevor is my loud old bulldog, if you don't know. This is for my business. I have a small business called Fun Learning Resources, where I make and sell flashcards for children for numbers, phonics, and we've just done colours and first words as well. So I'm going to stick my logo on the front. Our theme is orange. I'm going to stick my logo on the front, and this will be like my little business book. Not very interesting, but I was actually really excited when I saw they had an orange one. Okay, so I will show you what's behind me now, because this is probably what you've all been waiting for. So like I said, the homeware is really on trend at the moment. My favourite thing that I got is this lampshade. Now, I would have put it in my nursery, but I'd actually already bought one for the nursery that's so similar for like 3 times the price. So this has gone in our hallway, but it was £8, and it's just a little sort of rattan woven lampshade, and it's just so sweet. Yeah, so on trend at the moment, and £8, I mean. Also got this cute little woven storage basket with the black pom-poms. This will go so perfectly in my nursery because there's a lot of sort of natural woven stuff in there, but also his furniture is black, so I couldn't leave that there. I don't know, it'll probably be full of nappies and other exciting things. I can't remember how much that was. I've ripped the label off. I think it was like, it wouldn't have been more than £5. Now these are a little find. They have got some cute little hanging plants. So I got a couple. I got this one. How adorable is that? And they were £5 each. So I got this one, and I got that one. And yeah, they're gonna go in baby's nursery. I'm gonna get Clint to hang them in a corner somewhere like this. And God, what a bargain, like £10 for both of these. I was so impressed. There's just loads of cute little stuff like this sort of theme in there at the moment, so I highly recommend you go down and have a look. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna have a noodle. It's just the best thing ever, I swear. Thank you so much for watching my latest video, my latest B&M video. Obviously I've got a lot going on at the moment, being heavily pregnant, being a mum to a 3-year-old and having moved into our new house. So there's a lot of videos going up at the moment. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe before you go, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.